Hello guys, so today I'm going to install the North Korean OS. It is called Red Star OS, and if you guys don't know what is Red Star OS, it is basically a North Korean OS that designed to run on the North Korean's computer. So since I don't want to risk my own computer, I'm going to use VMware Workstation. Now I'm going to click on Browse, select Red Star OS, and I'm going to choose it as other Linux 5.x. Alright, I'm going to go with 8 GB, and I'm going to customize the RAM. It should be 1 GB of RAM. Now power this thing on, and it should boot up properly. So the next thing that I need to do is just sit and wait for it to boot up. Alright, so when its screen shows up, it means that we're good to go. Now, so since this is North Korean, like the Korean languages, I don't really know. I just really don't know what is this. Window backspace. Okay, now I should click on next, and it will pass through it, and select the installation disk. And I think it's like it means that we don't have enough the space that install the OS. So I'm going to customize it a little bit. So I'm going to expand it to 20 GB. Okay, now we sit here and wait for it to boot up. Alright, so when its screen shows up, it means that we're good to go. Now I think I'm going to follow the installation instruction, and I guess this is the place that we're going to install the OS. Now I think this is for the username. I think this is place for username and the account, so I'm going to use it admin. Oh, and I guess this is for network. So I guess this is the time zone, so I'm going to keep the default, or yeah. So I think this a UI design looks like macOS. What? I don't really know about it. So now we're going to sit and wait for it to complete the installation. Alright, so I guess this is the UI of the North Korean OS, and it's just basically looks like a Mac. Yeah, it's just basically like a Mac, but the North Korean one. I guess so. So it looks like the macOS version. So yeah, and I guess this is I don't know where's the settings. So this is forced to quit the apps, and this is the properties of the system hardware. And let me take a tour around. So yeah, this is just basically a North Korean Internet Explorer. So I'm going to type North Korean. It won't show anything, so let me find the ways that goes into the here. So this is the setting, and it's just basically a Mac. Yeah, a Mac with the North Korean OS on it, and just fix my resolution. So let me find the wallpaper. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is North Korean OS. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and share button, and watch my new video. And I'll see you next video soon. And later I will make a video that shows you guys how to install the North Korean OS. So goodbye.